Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the first day of Ramadan. First day of Ramadan. One day down. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Lehat. I asked you guys on Instagram, what would you like to see from me? Like, what kind of content would you like to see from me during this Ramadan? Asked me to do a video on what I eat during Ramadan, like what I eat for Iftar and what I eat for Sahur. Now it's almost Iftar because it's already first day, like it's almost time for Iftar. So I'm going to show you guys what I eat Iftar, show you what I eat for Sahur tomorrow. I don't know, like tomorrow, but I don't eat much. Like I don't know what people eat during Sahur. Like I'm just thinking of myself. I mostly just take maybe biscuit or like 2 slices of bread with water and wiki. Some people like to eat tuwo, amala, eba, like serious food. I cannot do that. Like I make it for my house, like in my house, like my parents, they like to eat like heavy food like that. So like I have to make it, but like I do not eat it because if I eat, I don't know if I'm the only one. You guys should comment. I want to know if I'm the only one. If you eat heavy food for sahur, you get very tired during the day. Like, I get very tired. Basically I get very tired during the day. Like I won't be able to, like around like 12, 1, I won't be able to do anything again. Like I'll be tired. If you want to see what I eat for Iftar, then please keep watching. And before I forget, don't forget to subscribe. We are growing on this channel. We're about to hit 2K. So I'm so happy like all my new subscribers. Hello, welcome. I'm so happy for you guys for stopping by. So guys, for today right now I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys what I'm making. So guys, for Iftar today, this is weird, but this is what I'm going to be making. Fries. I just like simple meals. I'm going to be making the sausage roll from like beef sausage, and I'm going to also be frying this like leftover yams that I had from yesterday, just to mix things up a little. And this is just basically stew. So that's what I'm going to be making for Iftar. Since you guys asked me to do what I eat for Iftar. Also, I'm going to be making pap. Like, pap, yeah, is there another name for it? Yoruba people call it ugi. Akam, yes. I'm going to be making akam. Like, this is normal in like Nigerian household. Just making plain akam. Guys, I don't know, in every household, I don't know why these plates, our plates, right, they turn yellow inside. I've been trying to wash this off for days now. It does not want to go. Just come, please come and believe it's just in me, or I don't understand anymore. That's why I want to make this pap inside it, because I heard that like the pap removes the oil or something. So that's what I'm going to be. I'm going to try and do that, and we'll see maybe to remove it. And if it does not remove it, I'll be using the plate like that. I can't be bothered. So yeah, chicken suya. I want to show you guys chicken suya from. You can get chicken suya from any of your local suya, but I got this one from Sahad. And guys, it's just basic suya, chicken suya. So I'm going to also be having that for Iftar. That is that. And in here, I don't give you a good weight if you want to buy suya outside the own way I do it. I make sure like all the onions, vegetables, tomatoes, you cut it inside another loader. So like just in case I can't finish this does not spoil and make this taste, like the taste of this one to change. So always buy your suya like this. I advise you to get your stuff separate and get your suya too in a separate. I also got this yogurt from Sahad. It's actually nice, very thick for yogurt too. So guys, this is the final meal I'm having today. Chicken and masa and fries with yam and sausages. These are beef sausages, so yes. So guys, this is the final meal. I just have ketchup, sausage, fries, chicken and masa, then the vegetable and pepper. Then I also have my fried yogurt, and that is all. So guys, this is my iftar meal for the first day of Ramadan.